Hello friends, welcome back. So in this first part we're gonna set up our environment. So for that we will need Python 3. So for that just search Python and go to this URL and then here in downloads click on here Python 3.7.3 and you will get this, and I have already downloaded. So just click and install this and you good to go. Oh, another thing you have to do that you have to go to environment, just type here env and then environment variables and go to path under system variable, and you have to copy and paste the address of your Python like this, and Python slash scripts like this. Okay, then okay and okay, and you are good to go. So to check Python is running, just type cmd and click enter and just type python Python, and it will show you the version and you are in the Python. So to quit Python you have to type quit and colon and done. So this is how you set up your Python. Now you need ID for that. So PyCharm is one of the best ID for that. Type PYCHARM PyCharm. You will get this link. Go to this link. So click on here download. So this is a free community version. Just click on this download and you will get this two option. Just go for this community edition version. It's free and open source. So just click and this will download, and it's downloading. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this. You will just go to this setup and click next and then finish. Then you will good to go. So after you will get this icon, just click on here. It will take some time. Okay, so okay, it will open this window. Maybe it will not open this window for you first time, but after that you will get this window, and then you have. So in next video we will create a project. So till now, thank you for watching, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.